Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds launched with active noise cancellation, low latency mode for gaming. Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds with active noise cancellation and a low latency mode for gaming have been launched. As the name suggests, Razer's latest earbuds are true wireless stereo (TWS) buds, and have THX certified audio to ensure high-quality sound. Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds sport an in-ear design and offer a wide selection of ear tips. The earbuds feature touch controls and a Bluetooth V5.1. They offer up to 4 hours of battery on a single charge, and the charging case can add 16 hours more to it. The earbuds are claimed to be a superior mobile accessory for everyday users and mobile gamers who want quality audio as well as a customizable fit. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds are an upgrade of last year's model, the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds, which are presently available in India for approximately 10,000 rupees. Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro price. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds are priced at $199.99, roughly 14,800 rupees, in the US. Razer THS DPU carrying case with a carabiner clip is also available for the earbuds, for an additional $29.99, roughly 2,200 rupees. There is an option to purchase Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro along with the Razer THS case at $214.99, 15,900 rupees. The international availability of the earbuds is not clear so far. Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro specifications. The earbuds feature 10mm drivers and have a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response range. They have two beamforming omnidirectional microphones and Bluetooth V5.1. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds have a gaming mode that can be activated to reduce latency to 60 milliseconds during gameplay, which the company says can result in a much quicker reaction time for users. The earbuds use hybrid active noise cancellation to nullify external and unwanted internal noise. As per Razer, they do so by generating inverse sound waves simultaneously, combined with an enhanced passive noise isolation solution. The touch-enabled controls on the Hammerhead Pro let users toggle between active noise cancellation and quick attention mode, which uses the microphone to let outside sound in, control their calls, music, and activate the smartphone's voice assistant. Along with the charging case, the pair can last for up to 20 hours. The earbuds also have a dedicated smartphone application available for Android and iOS devices. The Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds are IPX4 rated for sweat and splash protection. They come with a USB Type-C charging cable, a charging case, 6 pairs of silicone ear tips, and 1 pair of Comply Premium foam tips. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.